Hi, I'm going to show you how to work on the DR trimmer walk behind machine. Okay, we're going to flip it up. We're going to take the plastic protection out. Take it out. Okay, come right out. If you have the string, then you have to take the spin head out, just counterclockwise, pull it out. Remove the plate. There's 5 of them. To put a little bit flat screwdriver in here and pry them out easily. You see the bottom of the plate. This is the top of the plate, look differently bigger. Make sure this side point to the ground when you put it back. Remove the next plate. This is brand new machine, so it's really hard to don't break it. Move them easily. Put it right on top of the other one. They all the same. Just make sure this side face to the ground and stack them up there. Five of them. Put them out. Now I need the metal cup, cover it, put it out. Inside it, the space bearing go over the shaft. You can remove this 4 bolt right here. You'll be able to take the whole spin shaft assembly out. Just easily pull it out. If it doesn't want to get out, the belt just come out, losing it. Now it loose up here. Just lift the whole set out. You see the belt? Here you go. So this is how inside look. This is the clutch pulley. When you squeeze on the handle, it moves down like this. It moves down like this, and it tight up the belt so it spin. When you release the handle, it come out and the belt become loose. It doesn't spin. This is how the belt go inside the pulley. Just align it and squeeze it in. That's it. If you need to replace the belt, you need to open this ball, this bracket, and the wheel will come out, and you can take the belt out. It's brand new. Pay attention how it weaves the belt. It go inside here, the belt guide. Again, this pulley go up. Okay, now we're gonna put them back. Just put this over and align it here. It had to go over this. Align it nicely. Try not to break nothing. If the bolt not aligned, you see now it aligned, it snapped, really sturdy. Back the bolt. After you tighten it up real tight, put your hand over, put the belt over the pulley and make sure it is sit. Now the right side, just weave the belt into its groove over and just push it in and spin them. Now it's in. That's it. Okay, now we're gonna install awesome wheel on the machine. You see, one go in an angle, one go straight. You see the straight? Well, at the angle, align them that way. Right? So we're gonna put the plastic connector on. Align it. I just put. I'm gonna use a longer bolt now. It's just a little, about a quarter-inch longer than the original bolt. Same thread, same. So I just put it on the bottom. Just to let it hang, so it will not fall down. And I do the same thing over here. Just a few spins so it won't come off. See? Now put awesome wheel plate over it. Four screw over. Top one. Once again, just let it bite a few spin so it will not fall out. So I got the top two right now. Now I need the bottom one. Just hold the plastic up. Okay, now I put it over. And make sure you tie them up. It's the spacer for the shaft and the metal cup with a hole. Align it to the shaft and slide them in all the way to the top. Just use a screwdriver or something to tap them. Make sure they come up all the way. Next thing, put the cup, spin cup lock. Make sure it's tight. Now, put this caster wheel on. Tight it. Make sure everything tight. You're done. Just lower it down. Now your trimmer on 3 wheel. I can move it by my one finger. I don't have to push down the handle anymore. Look at spin head only above the ground, so it's protecting it. Awesome will protect your plastic, not damage. Will make your job way easier. Thank you for watching.